In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize your workflow in ClickUp dashboards. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple dashboard that surfaces the information you care about most without digging through multiple views. First, open ClickUp and head to the Home area from the left sidebar. Home gives you a central place to orient yourself before you build anything, and it's a great starting point for jumping into reporting. Next, look for the More option in that same left sidebar. This expands additional features you don't see by default. From there, select Dashboards. Dashboards are ClickUp's reporting hub, where you can pull together data from different spaces and lists and visualize it in one place. You'll land on the Dashboard hub with a collection of templates. Templates save time and ensure the essential widgets are already in place. For a clean starting point, choose the Simple Dashboard template. It's designed to highlight the basics without overwhelming you, and you can always customize it later as your reporting needs grow. When prompted, select the location. This determines where the dashboard lives and, importantly, which part of your workspace it will reference. If you want a company-wide overview, place it at the workspace level. If you want a focused report for a specific team or project, choose the relevant space or folder. Now click Create Dashboard. In a moment, your new dashboard will appear, ready for customization. You'll see the option to add card. Cards are the building blocks of your dashboard. Each one is a small report or visualization, like a chart, a list of tasks, or a progress indicator. Start with a couple of high-impact cards so the layout stays clear and useful. Add a progress card to quickly see how work is moving through your pipeline. This is perfect for spotting bottlenecks. If too many tasks are stuck in progress or review, you'll notice right away. You can adjust the filters to focus on specific assignees, priorities, or statuses so the view reflects your workflow. Next, include a task completed this week card. This gives you a snapshot of throughput over the current week, helping you spot trends and celebrate wins. If your team works in sprints, this card is especially helpful for end-of-week check-ins. Finally, add the Open Tasks by Asane card. This gives you instant visibility into workload distribution. Use it to ensure no one is overloaded and that unassigned tasks are addressed promptly. At this point, your simple dashboard is live and actionable. As you use it, feel free to rearrange cards, resize them for readability, and refine filters so the data mirrors how your team truly works. That's it. Your workflow is now visualized and ready to guide smarter, faster decisions.